What's up, guys? It's October 31st, 2024. Happy Halloween. Did the market give you a trick or a treat today? I got a little treat. I made some profits, gave a little back, made a little money here and there. Interesting, we haven't had a gap bar under the EMA in over 50 days. I know that because I counted this extremely fast. I'm just joking. I checked it before I said that. 51 days before we had another gap bar. Last time we had a gap bar, we rallied. Also, last time we had a gap bar, we were in the second leg. Now we have a leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. Legs are getting smaller. Leg one, pull back, leg two. Trading rangers are known for second leg traps, and it looks like we're testing these lows here. We don't really know where the lows of the range are going to be. This could be the low. This could be the low. Hell, this could be the low. 50% could be the low. I'm just measuring this range. So this is the leg up. Excuse me. We have a leg up here. Bears could be targeting 50% pullback. Or maybe this is the range. We don't really know where the range lows is, but now we've had a big up, big down. We are ranging. It's a really nice setup on the daily. Look at it here. We can measure from here, or the top of the bear bar. Did it backwards. There. Then we put it to the top of the pullback. Entry, stop. The Bears almost get that 1.5 target. It's a good trade for the Bears. $45-minute chart here. Very strong selling. We had an overnight sell, and then we saw the leg two in intraday. Put it at the top of the pullback. More than 1-to-1. They actually, it looks like they got 2R. Just guesstimating. Big gap down. When we see a gap down, we can expect the leg in the same direction for about an hour, and then we go range bound. And what did we get today? Just that. Sorry about that. I got something in my throat. That's so weird how it was clear all day, and then I start this. 81, excuse me, yesterday's bar 81 was a sell. We closed below the EMA. We rallied, wedge top, and we sold off. Today we see a continuation. Gap down, bar one is follow through, bar two is the pullback, bar three makes a triangle. So what's the triangle? What the heck? We have a triangle right here. And that breaks out. So let's go for 1-to-1 of bar one. Put that at the blow of 3. And very quickly, you make your 1-to-1. You can take profits here, you know, max. This is a great bar. You get 1-to-1 in 5 minutes. I wouldn't, don't be a dick for a tick. Just take the profits. You see a pullback. Okay, now we have another leg. We have a strong bear channel here. Although it's not 3 bars, it's on the 100-second chart. There's 3 bars here. Think about that. 5 and 6 become the pullback. We get another 1 arm met very quickly. So we have, I'm gonna delete that actually. So now we have a leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3, pullback, leg 4, pullback, leg 5. What happens after the third leg? The market starts to go range bound. You know, this is an inside bar here, 13. So you could say this is one big leg. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3, pullback, leg 4. Market goes range bound when 13 is put in, but we don't know that yet. For the moment being, always in short. Here we see 21. We see bar 20. That's not a characteristic for a bear trend. However, bears do short that 21, but then it gets bought up 22, 23. In trading ranges, second leg traps are often, there's a thing, be careful for second leg traps. Here's the second leg trap. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2. 29, failed breakout. How many bear legs have we had? We know we've had more than 3. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3, pullback, leg 4. I actually bought the low of 25, and then I scalped out to the EMA because I felt like we were in a range bound. In ranges, always in direction is different than in trends. In trends, we look for 10 bars above below the EMA with gaps. In ranges, it's different. In trading ranges, we want to see, we were going to buy low, sell high, and scalp. So that's what I did. I stayed true to the nature. I bought low. I could have bought more, but I just was not willing to see a 3-bar micro channel against me. After this much selling, we could have just sold off all day. But I thought around bar 10 was suspicious because it was pretty strong rally. It did get follow through, but I was thinking like, we could be ranging soon. After the first hour is up, we had that leg in the direction of the trend. And then we went range bound for pretty much the entire day. It is more advantageous to sell. So we have the rally. Once we see an opposite side rally in a trend, we have to think range. No matter how much you want to think continuation to the bear leg, we're in a range until we get the breakout. So I think around here, this price action, always in direction changes from trend to trading range. Buy low, sell high, and scalp. You don't have to buy the bar. You can still scalp out of the EMA. I got a little trapped here, I'm not going to lie. I thought 46 was a continuation for a rally to here and here. But it ended up selling. I reversed before 48 even closed, and I made it back pretty quick. So we have a rally into the EMA. That puts us in a range bound price action. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. Now we have a wedge top and a sell-off. What's a wedge top? It's a bear flag. Wedge top. And here's another version of that. Push 1, deep pullback, push 2, deep pullback, push 3. Wedge top 45, pullback 46, 47, 48, strong bear bar. Gets continuation. We get a 4-bar micro channel, excuse me. Pull that. 1-to-1 is actually, you know what's interesting? Hold on. Oh no, you would get stopped out. So 1-to-1's not even met. 1-to-1's not met. We're actually shorting range lows, and it'd be better to take profits. You don't have to buy down here, but it'd be better to take profits. We're at the previous swing. Bulls met. Bears on bar 52. We went 1 tick below 29. So the leg 2. So I was looking for this. So leg 1, pull back, leg 2. A, B, C. A, B, C. What the heck? What is it? A, B, C, D. What was I saying? A, B, B, C, C, D. There we go. I was saying it wrong. It's a very old school trade, but I like to talk about them in leg 2 perspective. But leg 2s could be called A, B, C, D. Could be called break and retest. You know, there's a bunch of ways to name it. The important thing is we wait for momentum, we wait for a pullback, and then we take this. This is the bread and butter right here. That's your money maker. Is that leg? That leg today was here. That leg today was here. That leg today was here, right? A, B, C, B, C, C, D. And then here, C the CD. It could be A, B, B, C, and then we trade this leg CD. You see how that works? It's a pattern, and it repeats itself over and over again. You have to figure out always in direction, the leg count, and market cycle. So, where are we? 1-to-1 is not met, but I think bar 51 is good for a scalp. If you short it, you have to be aware you're shorting range lows. Always in direction is range bound. So you don't want to sell low, you want to sell high and buy low. So you sell here and you take profits here. And then we go into a tight trading range for about, right here, what is that, 55 to 66. So about 10 bars. Rally. Bulls get that deep second leg, right? So here's a deep second leg. Buy the low. 1-to-1 is met. I took this trade just for a scalp though, and I scalped it like this. I bought 67 and I scalped 68. I bought a little bit more here, but then I didn't like it was going sideways, so I just hit out for a couple points. But you could buy this 3-bar micro channel and you get your 1-to-1 here. Deep pullback, or you can go like this, 4-bar micro channel, deep pullback, you buy here, you get your 1-to-1. Better to go for 1-to-1 in trading ranges. 75, 76, 77, 78. This price action here. It's a second leg trap, so just like here, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, second leg trap, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, second leg trap, double top, Bar 45 is the swing high for the range. A lot of sell orders. This is a nasty trap. I hope you guys didn't get caught in that. Again, I stopped trading around bar 72. This was my last trade of the day. Second leg trap, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, sharp reversal. I mean, that's the day. Let's go over the, kind of already did it, but let's go over the measure moves again. Just because there was a lot today. So we see this bar. Let's take that. A lot of bear gaps open. Me going long wasn't the best trade down here, but I wanted to test the hypothesis of it being always in short. I mean, always in long. Always in direction was range bound is what I'm trying to say. And I took the trade and it was profitable, but I'm not always going to take that type of trade. You see how this leg, so I measured bar 1, pullback, that was met. And then 2, in 3 and 4, it becomes the next target for this. And then let's say you missed that and you want to take this, put it at the top of the pullback. So you see how the profitable leg becomes the AB. So this was the A, B, B, C, C, D. Then CD becomes AB, A, B, C, D. Excuse me, A, B, B, C. A, B, B, C, C, D. C, D becomes the new leg we measure. We're in a trend, so go here, put it at the top of the pullback. You can put it here, you can put it here. And then we start to get deeper into the leg, and you have to ask yourself, how much more can bears go after the gap down? Stats say we have a big gap down, we have a tradable leg in that direction for about an hour, and then we go range bound. And we've had 3 legs in that direction. So if you're still short, just think about it. How long can bears go for? What's the market cycle? Breakout, channel, range. Breakout, bar 2, first opposite bar. Now we're in a channel. We channel lower. What's after a channel? A trading range. So what's it a trading range? It's buy low, sell high. It doesn't mean you have to take it. It just means you have to acknowledge where we're at. You have to be honest where the market cycle is at. Be honest with yourself with your trading, and you'll make more money. Sometimes I'm in denial about us being in a trading range. I trade like a trend, and I'm trying to get better at that. 48. There's your 1-to-1 1.5R. That was met with 51. And what happened with 51? One tick below 29. So multiple reasons to take profits on bar 51. Oh wait, what the heck? Wow, I look silly now. Okay, 1.5 hours met with bar 52, excuse me, and then bar 55 went 1 tick below 29. So the tradable leg for the bears are done. Bears met the minimum. They went 1 tick below the prior bear leg. That's the minimum. Here we can see a 2-legged pullback for the bulls. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, and a sell-off. So again, just how we had a leg 1, pullback, wedge top, leg 2, met the minimum, right? Bar 55 met the minimum, leg 2 is complete. Here we have a leg 1, wedge top, wedge top, and that's met. Bar 61 went 1 tick below 55. So if we acknowledge what's going on in the markets, don't be greedy. I was greedy today. I didn't take profits on 61. I scaled in heavy here, I was looking for this move right here. So I held through 61, and I ended up getting out 2 points profit on 63, which was so dumb because I was up 10 points down here. I'm working on it, but we have to be honest with ourselves sometimes. All the time, not sometimes. We always have to be honest, especially in the markets. If you want to be a liar in real life, that's not a good idea either, but that's your personal life. Then we have a rally here. This is a harder trade. Buying that's going to be a pretty hard buy. You could buy this bar and then you get exactly 1-to-1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you could, this was that's that 8 was met here. I scalped out on 34. About 9 trades today, going for 1R, 1.5R. Very profitable. Glad to see the markets are adding volatility. We got some volatility after being stuck in this range. Sucked, man. I was having a tough time, especially on Monday, shredding me to bits. Deleting these so we can add the gaps. I like going over gaps because that keeps us, right? So if we have a gap, when gaps stay open, or with trend traders, when gaps start closing, that's a sign that we're not in trend. We're in trading range. Look, we have multiple gaps open. Bar 10 closes this gap pretty quickly. No bull gaps, but we have another bear gap here. One bull gap. gets closed pretty quick. We go sideways. Another bear gap here. Yeah, we got a bull gap breaking out across the EMA. That's great. And then we have another gap here. And sell off and bears get their gap that gets tested at the end of the day. So yeah, there are the gaps. There's the trading day. There's the whatever you just want to call it. Yeah, hope you guys did good today. I'm glad the markets had a sell off. Hope you guys eat, have some candy, relax. It's Halloween. This is my favorite holiday. I'm not doing anything special though. Have a good one, guys. If you learned something, share the show. Hit me up in the Discord. Actually, something super funny happened last night. One of the guys in the Discord messaged me, and there's a YouTube channel that's been copying my videos. This is my only channel, Price Action Breakdowns. I study Al Brooks and Ali Moyashari's methods. This is my only channel. So if you guys see any videos of mine on another channel, can you please send them to me through Discord or drop me a message in the comments? I've already went through the copyright process with YouTube, and it's been removed from the other channels. Because that really infuriates me, because someone else a few months ago was trying to get money out of someone in the Discord, and now there's another YouTube channel that was copying my videos. So this is my only channel. If you're in the Discord, my name says admin. To keep things simple, I won't message you first, but I will reply if you message me. I'm not trying to be rude in any way. I'm just trying to, I don't know how else to let you guys know. I don't know. This is all new to me. I never expected this to even happen. I made these videos to learn how to talk about price action, and it's just evolved over time. Hope you guys are doing good. If you learned something, share the show. Thank you for your support, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.